Question number 6. The question is about plant transport system. 6.1 is an AO1 question. This question is from the topic of osmosis, plants organs, tissues, and organ system. Describe how water is transported from the soil to the atmosphere through a plant. The plant has root hairs, and the root hairs absorb the water from the soil through the osmosis process. From there, the water is taken to the leaves through the hollow tubes, which are called xylem vessels or xylem tissues. The plant uses that water during photosynthesis, and the rest of the water is released into the air through tiny holes, which are called stomata, through the transpiration stream. The model answer is plants' root hair cell absorb water from the soil by osmosis process. The water travels from the root to the leaves through the xylem vessels or tissues. The water will lose through a lot of tiny holes which are called stomata on the lower side of the leaf which are present through the transpiration stream. Six point two is an AO1 question, and this question is from the plant organ system. Dissolved sugars are moved through the plant in phloem tissues or phloem vessels. What is the name of the process that moves dissolved sugar through phloem tissues? So it is an AO1 question. Student must remember the name of the process which is carried out by the phloem tissues to transport the food. That is called translocation. Is one more question, and it is a keyword. Student must be careful about the spellings. Figure number 6 shows the structure of a phloem tissue. A phloem tissue consists of two cells. One is called the sieve tube cells, another is the companion cells. Phloem tissue is a specialized cell. It carries the food across the plant. And this topic is from specialized cells, plant cells and organs, and plant organ system. The C plates have a lot of holes present here so that the dissolved sugar can move up and down throughout the sieve tube in different parts of the plant. Now we are going to see the question. 6.3 is an AO1 and AO2 question, and it is two more questions. Explain one way sieve tube cells are specialized for their function. Use figure number 6. Sieve plate cells between the cells have lot of pores so that the sugar solution can easily flow up and down between the sieve tube cells. Let's see the model answer. The sieve plate between the cell have the pores which are given here, you can see in the figure, so that the sugar solution can easily flow up and down between the sieve tube cells. 6.4 is a combination of AO3 and AO2 question, and this question is from cell specialization, plant cells and organs, and respiration. What does the structure of the companion cells suggest about the process that moves dissolved sugar through the phloem tissues? Give a reason for your answer. Use the figure number 6. If we go back to figure number 6, from figure number 6 we can see this is a companion cell, and there is a large number of mitochondria present here. The mitochondria's job is to produce energy, and the sieve tube cells, they need energy. We can see that they are hollow tubes, but these cells need energy. So mitochondria will produce energy, the companion cell will use energy, and the extra energy is given to sieve tube cells so that they can work and move the sugar up and down in the plant. Let's see the model answer. The companion cells have a lot of mitochondria. They will provide the energy to the sieve tube cells so that the dissolved food can move up and down the plant in the phloem tubes. Six point five is a combination of AO1 and AO2 question. Describe why it is important that dissolved sugars are moved both upwards and downwards in a plant. This question is from the plant cells and organs, organ systems, metabolism, use of glucose from photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, the plant is making glucose, a sugar, and all the living cells in the plant, they need energy. Therefore, the phloem cells or phloem tubes, they have to transport the food to every single cell of the plant. Plant cell needs sugar for respiration, for their growth and cell division, and the extra sugar is stored in the form of starch or fats or oil in the plant. Let's see the model answer. The model answer is sugar is made in the leaves during photosynthesis. Student can use the word glucose instead of sugar. All living cells or tissues need sugar for respiration, for the growth and cell division. The extra sugar is stored as starch, fat, or oil in the plant. Therefore, the dissolved sugar is moved both upwards and downwards in a plant.